Volvo. So we're gonna take this off, and hopefully it'll come off. And you should take off this, that. This should come off. Should use a Johnson bar. Bam, 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 bam. Now we're gonna take it off. You're gonna spray some rust penetrant. You're gonna loosen it up, and you're gonna hold it like that. You shouldn't really heat this because you might have to change it. Back to the next segment. That's the update. So as soon as you take this off, you should support this first. Support on it here first, and you gotta shoot that off. But you want to protect this. You don't want to damage this thing here. So protect it and put a rag over it and a bucket. I don't know wherever the rag that is. Whatever. So you usually cover this up with a wet rag, just to protect it. And you're supposed to heat those bolts with a torch. This has to come off next. So this has been taken off. Make sure that you check for a master spline or anything like that. And I pried it out from the back here. Watch the reluctor. Watch this ABS sensor. I supported it too with a bungee cord, tie strap, and all that stuff. And now I'm going to take this off now. And I usually use a Johnson bar first. Boom. And this is coming off now. It's the last one. It's off. You just saw it drop down a little bit. Yeah. I'm not going to talk too long because I don't want to. So make sure that this ABS line and all that stuff is taken off this. Taking off this right here. And now you have lots of play. Because if you rip this, you're in trouble. This thing is like a lot of money. So please, guys, and you don't want this yoke to slip out. Next one I got supported here, you know. So sure. This comes with new bolts. Make sure you put that on, eh? And it only goes one way. It goes like this, and it goes up here. Only one way. Boom, boom, boom. So it goes flat side that way. We know that end of the flat side goes on that way. Let's do it. That's on. Let's put on. The new one is on. There's a bit of a fight there. You have to watch it. I spray some penetrante on it because you just never know. That's everything's good. Watch the spline here, boys. Alright, put it on. Everything back on. Everything back on properly. Where it's supposed to be. Trust me, that was like a half an hour flipping 35-minute fight to put this on. Needed another guy there just to trust me. And you gotta make sure you put this on properly because if you damage that spline, you are in trouble. Final touches, we're just gonna tighten up these bad boys here, just make sure it's all good. I'm afraid to tighten it with a gun. I'll just break these bolts there.
So you lived in a dashboard, eh?
I'm just doing this, make sure that I shoot it with a gun and break it. Tight.
This didn't have no
Yeah, I just need a tie strap just to make sure. Tight. Yeah, I just gotta hook this to this here, this arm here. Just to avoid any.
should be okay like that.
Should be alright, eh?
Yeah, because I think if we turn, you don't want it to.
Or you don't want the wheel maybe to scrape this thing.
Well, we'll take
Yeah, we'll hold that, yeah.
I think it's fine.
Alright. I always put a tie strap there just to avoid anything ripping the sensor's wire, and then you'll get a bad implausible signal. You'll get an ABS light and all kinds of bad shit coming on there. Alright, let's do this. When you tighten this wheel, you're gonna put this thing on and you're gonna go like this. You're gonna tighten here, 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 like a star pattern. And if you got a problem with that, it's in the book.